Here's walleye popping about 10:30 at night. Right now I'm just dragging it off the shore, waiting for strikes. Very simple. See if I can get another one out there. See a surface there. Another surface. I'm actually not even using the popper here, I'm just using the deer hair closer and just dragging it off the top. Oh, got one there. Just like that. Fortunately I got one hand, so this is kind of difficult. Set my rod down. Pull them in like it's a set line. There you go. There's a nice little walleye. Probably about a pound. Okay. Nice markings. Good fly. You can see they're just jumping everywhere here. And there you go. Nice fish. Get that jaw open, spikes up. Very nice. Gone.